Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Are you ready to dive into the future of technology? But you're not sure on how to get your hands on the future tokens? Well, worry not. We have got you covered. In this video, we will guide you through the steps on how to buy the VYUG tokens in our ongoing VYUG presale. The first step is to visit the VYUG Metaverse website. On this website, you will get a banner that will take you to the VYUG Presale page. Scroll down the banner and click on the Explore Now button to go to the presale page. Now, as you are on the presale page, you need to log in or sign up with your credentials. Click on the login button on your top right corner to log in or create a new account. After logging in, select the wallet that you want to connect from the available lists. After this, enter the amount of USDTs that you want to invest. You will receive VYUG tokens against the amount of USDTs that you have entered. Once entered the amount, click on the Connect Wallet button to confirm your wallet connection. You will receive a notification that will ask you to confirm your wallet connection. Click on the Connect button to confirm it. Now you have successfully connected your wallet. Click on the Buy VYUG token button to proceed. Now, you will receive a notification to approve your final transaction. Click on the Approve button to finalize your transaction. Now, you will receive a notification that will confirm your transaction and your transaction will be successful. Congratulations! You have successfully invested in the VYUG presale. Get ready to be the part of VYUG's revolution in the future technology. Please like and share this video and subscribe our official channel. Thank you.